Hello, everyone. Welcome to Broker Inbox, and I'm your host, Mark Aguirre. I'm a licensed broker in the state of Oklahoma and the state of Utah. This podcast is being brought to you by Platinum Real Estate Professional. That is the name of my brokerage. And the reason behind putting this podcast together is to share general information, information I feel is going to be very valuable to anybody that is thinking about buying or selling a home. Maybe you're a homeowner currently, and I'm going to be sharing so much information that ties right into home ownership. Things that not a lot of people really think about, like home inspections, home warranties, and everything that is available through it with a home warranty. In the process of selling and buying a home, the title company, what is their actual role? What do they actually do? Not a lot of people understand what the title company actually is for and what goes on behind the scenes in any given transaction. In the event that maybe your real estate broker didn't explain the entire process. Well, that's what this podcast is going to do, is just share general information about tons and tons of topics that go hand in hand with home ownership. We're going to be talking to pest control companies, like I said, title companies, lenders, home inspectors, anything and everything. Like I said, tune in every episode. I guarantee there's going to be information that's shared that you're going to want to hear. And maybe you bought and sold a home several times in your lifetime. Doesn't mean that you understand the entire process or know of it. And real estate laws change over time. Not a lot of things are grandfathered anymore, but we're gonna be talking about seller disclosures and how important they are to fill them out accurately, and just general information regarding real estate. Some of the things that maybe you did or did not know. When you're buying new construction, can you be represented by a real estate agent? Absolutely. We're going to be talking about limited agency, dual agency. It's called two different things depending on what market you're purchasing in. But I want to share tons and tons of information that maybe you've never really thought about, but you really need to know about. Anyway, that's what Broker Inbox is going to provide. And I wanted to jump on, introduce the podcast, and it's been a goal of mine ever since I started my brokerage up back in 2017. And like I said, I've closed a number of transactions and have experienced just about every situation you could possibly think of. And, some of these podcasts, we're going to share some of those experiences and things that, that I think are going to be very valuable to each and every consumer out there that's going through the process. But anyway, again, I'm going to be your host, Mark Aguirre, and just call me Broker Mark. And please stay tuned for some upcoming episodes. We're gonna try to record an episode every week. Going to be a new topic each and every week, and I'm gonna be sharing them on our YouTube page. And I will be sharing the information, all my contact information, our website at the bottom of the screen for everybody to utilize whether you're in the state of Oklahoma or the state of Utah. Or if you have general questions about home ownership, and maybe we can get to provide those answers for you. And maybe you can email me on specific topics that you'd like me to cover. Be more than happy to do that. Again, I want to thank you for your time. Got Christmas coming up right around the corner, and I hope everybody's prepared. And I hope everybody has a very happy holiday season with friends and family, because that's what life's all about. Anyway, thank you. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. And have a great rest of your 2025. Bye.